This is an old resort. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, but honestly, it has a charm of its own. And fun fact, it's the only Hilton Grand Vacations club on the entire island of Kauai. Aloha everybody! Welcome back to my channel. We're here on the beautiful island of Kauai, and today I'm taking you inside the point at Poipu. In this video, I'm showing you the suite, the amenities, and giving you a real, honest look at what this property is all about. So if you're planning a trip to Kauai and you're thinking about staying here, stick around. Let's check it out. Good morning everyone. It is about 8 a.m. in the morning here on the island of Kauai, and the view from outside is just amazing at this time. It's gonna be a sunny day, and look at that home, that house there. That's a beautiful house overlooking the ocean. Let me show you some of the amenities you will enjoy here at the point. Before we get into everything else, let me show you the lobby. Right up front, that is the lobby area. That is where you check in. It's not so big, but it's beautiful as well. Inside, you'll find beautifully styled seating areas and plenty of spots to just sink in and relax. Outside the lobby, this is beautiful out here. You can see man-made waterfalls here. And this is a great place to take a photo or picture. Beautiful and pretty relaxing. If you watch my video about Grand Hyatt Kauai, they also have this beautiful waterfall thingy at the back as well. So just like here in the point, they have this like terraced waterfalls. Let me go on the ground floor, which is over there, so that I can give you other view of this beautiful feature. So here beside the koi pond, there's another tool grill that you can use, and then after that, beside that, yes, it's a beautiful place. There's a koi pond here. Well, I don't know if it's koi. I don't see koi, but tilapia. Oh, they see. I saw one big koi there. Look at that. There's a lot of tilapia. So after this beautiful man-made waterfall and the pond is the pool area. We are now approaching the pool area. Now this is a showstopper. A massive pool sitting right at the center of the resort, giving you that vacation officially started moment. All around the pool are lounge chairs, adorable thatch roof huts, perfect for sunbathing, napping, and pretending you're in a travel magazine photo shoot. It's a lagoon-style pool with shallow areas for the kids, and part of it even has a sand bottom. It feels like a mini beach without the waves messing up your hair. But if you'll notice, the sand is not really that fine. Look. It's not fine sand. It's like crushed pebbles or something. Yeah, it's still great because your kids will love this. They go here because it's not really hard surface. There's also a single jacuzzi attached to the pool, small but definitely a vibe. And if you will notice, beside the pool area, there's a bar, Honu Cove Bar and Grill. That's the only bar and grill and restaurant of the property. So if you want to eat inside, that's the only option you got. Next to the pool area, opposite to it is the activity center. Kids can come here and they can play. There's a lot of things that kids can enjoy inside. So inside the activity center, there's a lot of chairs and small tables and low tables intended for kids. Just like with other Hilton Grand Vacation properties, one of the amenities that is always there is the barbecue area. Here at the Poipu, in each building, in the middle of it, you will have a barbecue pit or a barbecue area. Right now I'm at building 2, so that's that's the center of building 2, and they have the barbecue here. This barbecue area, they clean it every day. So look at that, it's so clean because somebody always cleans them every day, and you don't have to pay anything. It's already included in your stay, so the gas is free. Then you also have some benches if you want to eat here. Let me go to building 3, because in building 3, the barbecue area is next to the hot tub, which is really convenient, right? The building that you see up front is building 3, and that includes also this wing here, which we stayed in. That is where we stayed. That's our suite, I mean. And obviously you will already see that there's a heated pool over here in the center. And what's great about it is that the grill is just beside it. You can just jump in to the heated pool after your meal, or after enjoying the pool, you can have your lunch or your dinner. So it's very convenient for the guests. So this setup here is better than the setup in building 2, because right over there, there's no heated pool. Well, you can just cook your meat there. But over here, you know, if you get time, if there's nobody here, then yeah, it's better here. Cook your meal, then jump in the heated pool.
And one of my absolute favorite features of the Point, the pathway that connects directly to the Mahaulepu Heritage Trail. It's a stunning, scenic walk that leads you to a cliff with a jaw-dropping view, totally worth the steps.
Beside building 3, there's a path. This path. This path connects to another path outside of the property. It is a walking path that goes to the Shipwreck Beach. The pathway ends at a cliff, which it's so beautiful to go up there, and you can see Grand Hyatt Kauai and also the beach. You will see it in the drone right now, the view that you will see there. And it's so nice to hike and go up, and especially if you go hike before the sun is up, and during sunset, pretty nice to go up there.
Now let's step inside the 2-bedroom suite we stayed in.
Let me show you our suite here. Our suite is 3304. Once you're in, you will notice that the design of this suite looks a little bit older. Anyway, so from my right, you have the dining table here with 6 chairs. And right here in front, you have the living area or the living space. One thing you'll notice is there's no coffee table. They're just using a ottoman. So there's 2 ottoman here. Again, the sofa and the 2 chairs looks like a mismatch, and you can already see that lots of paint chips on the chairs. And one thing also is the carpet is too dark. The newer resorts now, they're always using the light colors, so it will make the room brighter. And then one thing, okay, then you have this TV is nice because it's 65-inch flat screen. But if you will notice down here, the electronics here is really dated. The old electronics. Those wires are just sticking out everywhere. That's already there. It is. I didn't touch anything. So when we came in, the wires are just everywhere. Didn't arrange it, and you have this electronic here. It still has an iPod docking station here. Nobody uses iPod now, and of course they still have the DVD player. I don't know if somebody's still using a DVD player. Like I mentioned, this is a 2-bedroom suite, so I'm going to show you the kitchen area first and then the bedroom. So beside the dining table, you have your kitchen area here, which is a very large kitchen, which is nice. but you know, you have all these basic amenities in the kitchen. You have the dishwasher, coffee maker here, of course your toaster, and your refrigerator, electric stove. Those are still in white color, so you know, newer resorts now are using stainless steel, but you have a lot of cabinets with all your stuff, and the utensils are also provided for us. To the kitchen, you will have this door here. This is the washer and dryer, which is of course standard in Hilton Grand Vacation. Then next to it is your bath area for bedroom 1, which is fairly good size for a bath area. You have your shower here with a small shower head. You can see it's a little bit rusting already. Let's go inside bedroom 1. And if you can see here, this is good for 2 kids. So if you have 2 kids with you, you have a single bed, each single bed, which is really great for kids. If you have 2 kids, you have a sliding door here for, you can put your stuff here for the kids to hang their clothes. In front is the 65-inch TV, which is also nice so that your kids can also watch movies or TV or something. And of course, they have a very beautiful view because this is an ocean view. You have a very beautiful view of the ocean from here. Only thing is that the AC, it's blowing air, but you can smell something like a wet clothes or something. So it doesn't really smell that good. One thing I forgot to mention is that in the living area and kitchen area, dining area, there is no AC here in this space. So if it feels a little bit hot, you can just open the bedroom for the AC air to come in. Okay, let's get inside the primary bedroom of this suite. So this is the primary bedroom or the master's bedroom. It's fairly big. I mean, it's really big though. So you have your king-size bed there, and you have your lighting, your bedside tables, and then you have a 65-inch TV up front here. If you will notice, they didn't even fix this thing. This could be easily fixed, but yeah, they just left it like that. Looks ugly though. Some of the appliances here in the bedroom was already rusting in a way. Look at this. The lights are already rusting. The light stand is rusting. But again, everything works. And we got a beautiful view here of the ocean. By the way, the primary bedroom has access to the lanai itself, but I'll show you the lanai through the living area. Now let me show you the bath area of this bedroom 1 or the primary bedroom, because it's really big. So you got 2 doors here, but this dark color door, this is your closet. This is a walk-in closet. And the next door, of course, is your beautiful bath area. Up front, yeah, you have your tub. You have your shower area here with a smaller shower head. Then you have another closet here for your amenities, for bath amenities. And of course, you have your vanities with 2 sinks. So this bath area is huge. The only thing is that Hilton needs to renovate this one to upgrade its amenities so it will look modern, because right now it looks like we are still in the 2000s. Now let me show you the lanai from the living room. Like I mentioned a while ago, you have access to the lanai from the primary bedroom as well. The view of the suite from the lanai, it's the star of the show here, because this is a oceanfront bedroom, a suite, I mean. Look at that. a lot of paint chips and it's already corroded anyway. But if you look here, this is your view, the beautiful ocean of Kauai. Well, you can see there, wow, the waves are really big right now. Anyway, you cannot swim over there if you want to. You know, if you don't want to die, don't swim there, okay? Anyway, this is your view. This is your view. You have a view of the ocean. And in your lanai, you have a table here with 4 chairs, a round table with 4 chairs, and then you have also a lounge chair here, 1 lounge chair. It's so nice here to stay here, to relax, especially during the afternoon time. You can just, you know, read a book or something while you enjoy the beautiful ocean view of this resort. So that's an overview of this suite, which is suite 3304, which is on the 3rd floor. 2-bedroom ocean front suite. Like I said, the whole property, the Point was acquired by Hilton Grand Vacation. It was under Diamond Resorts before. When the resort was sold, this was not open right away. Hilton made some changes to the resort, but I was thinking that they renovated it, but actually there's not a lot really renovation they did. It's the facility still looks dated. A lot of the amenities are dated. I think what they did primarily is just paint everything and then, you know, open it up. The only thing is that you don't have options right now to stay. If you're a Hilton Grand Vacation member, if you want to come here to Kauai, you don't have any choice but the Point. I hope Hilton will make a general renovation of this place so that it will look modern and it will appeal more to guests. If you look at the rating of this resort, it is 3 stars out of 5. It's because things here are a little bit dated. Just have one request. If you think you see value in this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and then if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, fellow travelers, bye for now.